WTI. Have you ever stayed the night in a hotel and just thought, wow, these pillows are so amazing. I wish that I had them at home. Well, now you can. I got this set of queen size pillows from Amolavet, and I love how soft, squishy, and comfortable they are. These are down alternative, which is perfect for me because I can't be around feathers, but I still want the feel of feathers, and these really fit the bill. Now these are 20 by 28. I would say that they're an oversized queen. When I put them in my queen size pillowcases, they're a little bit big, and this is what they look like in a king size pillowcase. I love that they have attention to detail with the piping on these seams. That really gives you more confidence that these are going to last for a long time. And of course, the cotton sateen is just beautiful. If you're ready for that hotel experience at home, you can't go wrong with these pillows from Amolavet, and that's my point of view.